the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center that a GP where Mr. Rowan Townsend, the man were charged for take the life of the Assistant Commissioner of Police Gilbert Kamika. I have him party pan DNAT, have all the audacity of putting up posters. You see me, I said the boy getting own posters and I put up say I keep prison dance pan DNAT, cell block 10 or wherever. Yeah man, I saw the thing set right now, and right now, this one here when me I go show now again, cause trust me, I really have to play this again. This over Spanish Town prison you know that at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center. So right now, I go play it again now my people. I want to really look on this thing here and see where really I go on.
25 dumpling a piece, cool it down. My champion.
Yeah, all mask on. Sit down in the mask. Yeah, poor side, no matter who. Let me know,
$25 dumpling a piece, cool it down. My champion.
So yes, my people, it would have seemed as if it's a farmer competition thing I go on now with the prisons. So right now, me I look for see one from Outer Horizon because GP that a Tower Street Adult Correctional Center do for them one yesterday. And today now, me have, when I bring to you a while ago, the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center that a Spanish Town prison party. Yeah man, so Mr. I think it is what, Matthew Samuda, who is the new Junior Minister of National Security, and for him responsibility is to focus on correctional services. What really a go on, Mr. Matthew Samuda? What really a go on? What take